Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix call screening not working on your iPhone after updating to iOS 26. First of all, open your settings app and scroll all the way down and tap on apps. After that, find phone and tap on it. Here, look for the call screening and identification option. If you don't see it, the feature may not be available on your iPhone model or in your region yet. If it is available, make sure call screening is toggled on and that any third-party caller ID apps you use are enabled. Next, check that silence unknown callers is toggled off under the phone settings because it can interfere with call screening. Also, go back to the main settings menu, then tap on General. After that, go into About and wait a few seconds to see if a carrier update pops up. Keeping your carrier settings updated helps with network-based features like call screening. Finally, restart your iPhone and try again. If you still don't see the call screening option, it might only be supported on newer iPhones and not on older models. And that's all. That's how you can fix call screening not working on iOS 26. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.